Yo, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2007 Upper Deck Masterpieces Baseball. First box, we got a box topper on first. Let it be autographed. Come on. It is not autographed. It'll go to the Indians. It is a Victor Martinez not autographed, but a black border. Victor Martinez. He's now in the Red Sox, but Victor Martinez. Yes, you did. Tennis for the win. I'm going to mix these packs up a little bit. I'll do that. Good luck. Oh, the hat. Right. Shit. Mojo. Hat for the win. It's going on backwards. Good luck, guys. Hit off the bat, we got to hit a pinstripe almost down the middle for the Twins, Joe Nathan. With pinstripe, Joe Nathan of the Twins. Next pack, we have a green border for the Phillies of Chase Utley. That one's not numbered. And a big decoy there. So hopefully everyone's enjoying the blog TV breaks. For the Dodgers, a green border of Kirk Gibson. Everyone enjoying the blog room. Busting boxes. Can't get better than that. It can get better if we hit something really nice. I'm going to the Yankee game tomorrow. David Price on the mound. Looking for a Tim Lincecum autograph for Mr. Bryofia, 3540. Next hit, we'll go to the Rockies. It is a jersey of Garrett Atkins. Who do I cheer for? I'm going to cheer for the Yankees. Even though I'm a huge, huge David Price fan, I'm going to want him to have a good game, but I got to cheer for my Yanks. For the Phillies, a green border of Ryan Howard. For the Orioles, a green border of Mr. Cal Ripken Jr. And here's, oh, sick. It is not Tim Lincecum, but who's the next best guy after Tim Lincecum for the Giants? Mr. Matt Cain, on-card autograph. There you go, Brian. Nasty. I'm kind of disappointed in a way, though, Brian. I kind of want you to co-host once I'm done. But we'll see. Nice hit right at the gate for this box. Nice Matt Cain. So the rest of the box should be dead unless we get an extra hit. Actually, there's one more hit, and it is right here. For the Red Sox, a Josh Beckett. I forgot there's 3 jerseys and 1 autograph per 07 box. Josh Beckett. So Mojo hat. I guess it's off to a good start with the... I got to go through these to make sure there's no rookies. But Matt Cain. Nice Matt Cain on card. Well, base. There's a Michael Jordan base. For the Red Sox, a David Ortiz green border. It's all you. Then for the Astros, woohoo! Craig Biggio at a 50. I don't know what that kind of noise was that I just made, but Craig Biggio. Is it Biggio or Biggio or who's gonna coach? Who's gonna coach? Someone's coaching now for the Astros. Jeff Bagwell. That's right. And a black border of Walter Johnson for the Nationals. Washington Senators will go to the Nationals. That one's numbered 9 out of 99. Nice card. Nice box overall. Matt Cain autograph on card and 3 nice jersey cards. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.